Show us. All right, Austin, what did you get from Santa?
Our thing where you put some coins in, and then where you put some water stuff with.
Yeah, can you scan me an item?
Yeah. What do you want?
I want...
Apple?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know what that how is not. I think that's expensive.
Oh.
I think you can't buy that.
Can you tell me how much my apple's gonna cost?
$2.
$9.99.
Yeah, it's too expensive.
And how much is the piece of bread?
And that's expensive too.
It is. Line it up with the arrows. You're too close to it. How about the tea?
Say over the mic you need a price check. Tell him you need a price check. Go ahead, say it into the mic.
Do the tea.
I can't do it, I'm talking.
Do the... I did it. Now, can you tell me if aisle 3 needs a cleanup?
Huh?
Tell me if aisle 3 needs a cleanup.
Yeah.
Well, you gotta tell everybody on the speaker.
And I have to read my order out.
Yeah.
Ooh, order? I need a little. I talked in orders.
And slide your credit card. Make sure it's approved.
I need to get...
You gotta push the button, you silly man.
I need approval. Did you hear that?
Yeah, credit card approval.
Ah?
Where's your credit card? Did you swipe it to see if it's approved? Nice.
Am I putting the truth?
Yeah. Do you need to give somebody money?
Yeah.
Me.
Why?
Open the cash drawer.
Here's some takeaways for you. How many do you need?
3.
I'll count them. 1, 2, 3,
Good.
4, 5.
That's enough. That's awesome.
Now use them. Go to the store.
All right. Thanks so much. I'm going to come around and I'll buy something from you, okay? Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bye, baby.
Bye, baby. Bye, Mom.
Bye.
Where are you going? Huh?
I love you.
I love you, Mom.